Now, Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning some new verbs. Are you ready, kids? I want is nyaka.
Ke nyaka.
Nyaga,
I like is ke rata.
Ke rata.
And I need is ke hloka.
Ke tloka.
Abuti, how do we say I want water?
Ke nyaka metsi.
And how do we say I want food?
Ke nyaka dijo.
Kinyaga,
And how do we say I like water?
Ke rata metsi.
And I like food?
Ke rata dijo.
Raja,
Now, how do we say I need water?
Ke tloka metsi.
And I need food?
Ke tloka dijo.
So, I want is ke nyaka.
Kinyaga,
I like is ke rata.
Raja,
And I need is ke hloka.
Loga.
And now you can use these verbs to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Shalachabotse.